Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. You looking for some quick cash that's not based off your credit score and based more on your pay stubs and your documents you can provide from your job? This is the one you want to have. This is NetCredit. Now, NetCredit is based out of Chicago. They have a personal loan and they have a line of credit. Today, we're going to be talking about the line of credit. Now, you might see a line of credit up to $4,500, but listen to me clearly. Every state is going to be different. I could go to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, even 10,000, right? Now, they do have the personal loan, where I did a full breakdown on a couple years ago, but today we're talking about the line of credit, because the personal loan, you're gonna have to provide more documents. A lot of people is trying to get these, quick cash personal loans, line of credit, where they don't have to really be based off their personal credit score and their personal profile, right? So I'm gonna show you this one. Now it says up to $4,500, but I'm gonna show you what I mean. You could get even higher, 5, 6, 7, even $10,000. And again, this will be a soft pull initially, people. As you see, this won't affect your credit score, right? But once you accept your offer and you move forward, it will be a hard inquiry. I have to make that clear. Now, when they do look, hold on a second, bear with me. When they do look, they will be doing a soft pull on your TransUnion. Now, you might be saying, Sean, hey, you just said they're going to be basing it off my pay stubs, my job. Now, again, I said, the full decision will not be off your personal credit. So you don't have to have a 750, 700, 650, 600. You can have low as a 575 and you could get approved for this, right? Now, if you got 1 or 2 collections, you got 1 or 2 late payments, okay. But they don't want you coming to the table and you got 10 collections and 10 late payments. Just keep that in mind, So let's scroll. You might be saying, what is the qualifications? Again, you got to be 18-year-old. You got to have a personal checking account. You got to have an active email, right? And no matter what I say or anybody say, I always tell people, go over to Trustpilot, people, and they have a 4.8 stars out of 5, which is not that bad. Now, they do offer anywhere from 6 months to 60 months. Again, every state is going to be different. We're going to get to that, and I'm going to show you how this works, right? Now, since you're going to be getting this, and it's going to be based mostly off of your pay stubs and your income that you're making monthly, we all know what happens on the other end. Listen to me clearly. That interest rate, that APR, people, you already know what's going to happen. Let's go over to it right here. So let's click here. We're going to start off with Florida, right? We ain't going to go through all. And if they do accept you in a state, they will show you, and they'll show you the APR and the amount they go up to. So let's say Florida. Boom. I'm in Florida. For the line of credit, again, minimum's $500, maximum is $7,000, But the beginning of the website is set up to $4,500 because, again, like I told you, every state is different, right? So if you're going for a personal loan, this will be the ratings. You're getting a rating of 35% to 99%. People, that's outrageous. You're paying it back almost twice. So let's stay on the line of credit. So you already know that interest rate is going to be, obviously, it's going to be crazy, people. Let's go over to Texas. I know a lot of people out there in Texas that support my channel, always, sending me messages. Again, they're doing the same. Minimum $500, maximum $7,000, right? So again, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Even though on the main page is saying 45, every state is going to be different. You get what I'm saying? So Washington, they're not accepting you in this. So you will have to go through, you will have to see where you from, see if they accept you. Maryland, they're not accepting you, right? So let's go over to here. Let's go to California. Let's see what they do in California. I hit Colorado, California. All right. California. Now let's look at California right here. California is asking for personal loans. They're accepting personal loans with California, $2,500 to $10,000, 36% to 40%. And again, that loan starting at 12 to 60 months. So again, it's all going to be different. You will have to go through again, what you're looking for. If you're looking for the line of credit, but just to know, if you're going for the personal loan, they will be asking for more documents, and that interest rate is basically outrageous. I gotta let you know that, right? I don't want nobody saying that I'm on here telling you to go apply for this. No, I want you to beware. Yes, you could get these kind of quick cash, personal loans, line of credits, with little documents and not so much of your personal credit report, but you're going to be paying for that on the other end, and that's that interest rate, right? So check your eligibility, right? 1, 2, 3. So now you'll put what you're looking for, 1 to 10,000, whatever you're looking for, right? Never put debt consolidation with NetCredit. I've been dealing with NetCredit for some years. I had people I did one-on-ones with that went out and used and got NetCredit and probably used them a couple times. Monthly bills, you don't want to hit that. Moving, you always want to hit other, keep it up in the air. They don't know, so let's just hit that. And then you're gonna move. You can't really move forward because you got to go through with the application. But next is he's gonna ask for your personal information. He's gonna ask for your job information, and eventually, when they send you an offer, so let's say they send you an offer of $6,000. This is your interest rate. So you gotta sit back and think: do I want to take, let's just say, 6,000 with an interest rate of 60%, 90%, 100%? To me, that's outrageous, but I know a lot of people that follow my channel be looking for these kinds of loan. I don't promote that. Again, I want you to do it the right way. Fix your personal credit report. Do it the right way. Book your one-on-one with me. Let me help you scale you get to the next level, or go on my website and get my ebooks. Link in the description. So it's up to you, but I'm just bringing the information for you. If you're looking to get indoor, you need some quick cash, you want to base it off your job because your personal credit report is not looking too good, you might want to look into this, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here, and I'm coming back with more bangers every weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday, I will be dropping a video. Peace.